Hey guys, today I'm reviewing this portable smoke infuser. It's Piccolo brand. It comes in couple parts, just couple parts. It's a smoker and the tube. It's beautiful thing. You can infuse any kind of meat, fish, maybe raw oysters. Raw oysters with smoky flavor sounds good to me. Then you can infuse wine, bourbon, or any kind of cocktail, which I'm making tonight. I'm gonna show you how we make smoked Bloody Mary. I have all the ingredients for Bloody Mary in my shaker, and I'll show you how I make it smoked. Let's get started. So, the smoker has a chamber. You need just a pinch of wood chips. Then you probably would need a lighter or matches. Then there is a button. You press the button, and that's it. Look, it's going. You put in the shaker, stop the smoker, and cover it. Whew. Blow the smoke away. It's not that much, it's just a little bit. And you wait 10-15 minutes. You can swirl around time to time, you can shake it, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes passed, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks. Whew, it still has a little bit of smoke in there. So you pour over the ice and cheers. It's so tasty, it's so smoky. It tastes like I have bacon, like grounded bacon in my drink. It smells good, it tastes good. I'll put the link in the description below where I got this, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. I'll see you. Cheers!